I live in Cosmos City. I live with my dad and my son.
I can say that it was nice growing up in a rural area because you kind of learn a lot of stuff about your culture.
My hobbies are playing cricket, soccer, obviously, and cooking.
I'm a professional gymnast, of which I've started in 2006, and I represented Gauteng in 2011 as well.
I love reading, I enjoy reading because now I grow mentally, and I apply what I've read.
Being a volunteer taught me that there are people who are suffering more than we do. So whenever you think that life is not fair, you just have to know that there is someone else who is in a worse situation than you are. So you can never complain about life.
Being a mother has taught me that I have to be responsible, I have to be disciplined, and I have to do everything in my power just to make sure that my kids don't fall out of the way, they know what's right and know what's wrong.
For me, the hardest lesson in life has been to take responsibility for your actions. So we all kind of like to point at somebody when something goes wrong, but once you actually learn to take responsibility for something, it actually, you grow inside and you become more mature in different situations, I think.
Losing parents at a very tender age, I was very young. I had not to give up. I just had to focus on myself and focus on moving on, basically, and just believing that one day I can make it. And I never gave up. That's what I'm mostly proud about.
I need this job because firstly, I need to get experience in order so that I can be recognized in other companies. And again, saving is one of the aspects which many people have in mind, because you need to save because you need to plan for your studies, or you need to save because you need to be independent, and also you need to save because you need to help your family with grocery and have a stable lifestyle at home.
My attitude regarding job seeking is to be open in terms of finding a job, being able to learn, knowing that take every experience that I will come across, because I know there's a lot of job. Some other people, they will say, I don't want to be a bricklayer, but I will take that opportunity because I know there's something which I can learn there. Maybe I can be a constructor, or so I will take each and every job that I can come across in order for me to learn.
My long-term goal is like going back to school, further my studies, and have the degree and become a chartered accountant. A well qualified chartered accountant.